So this is a get ready with me makeup tutorial. I'm using the foundation e.l.f. I've already put it on. I forgot to press record, so I'm doing my eyebrows right now, and I'm using the Maybelline dark brown eye pencil to shade in my eyebrows. And next I'm using the LA Colors dark brown eyebrow gel to go ahead and draw my eyebrows on. In with my Pro Concealer, the color Almond, and I'm just going to outline my eyebrows so I can go and shape them up and have them looking good. The setting spray I'm using is called It's You by Sister, and I will be using this setting spray throughout this whole tutorial. So now I'm going to set my brush, and I'm using the Maybelline foundation, the color 340. I'm using the Sinopia palette by Mellow Cosmetics, which is a really good palette. Nice colors and very pigmented. I will be putting a link in the description below so you can go to their website and check out what kind of makeup they have. So this shimmery silver color I'm using is called Champagne. Now I'm going in with my Giorgio Armani concealer. I forgot the name of the concealer, but it will be in the description below. But this was like a sample packet I had, and as you can see, I still have it. If you've been watching my videos since day one, you know I've had this for a long time now, so I decided to use this concealer. So this is my brightening banana setting powder I am using, and just going to set my whole face. Now I'm contouring my face with the LA Girl Pro Contour palette, or whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm using to contour my face with. Next is the LA Girl Liquid Eyeliner, which is the color black. And next is the color Cocoa I'm using for my lip liner, just to give it a little pop of color once I add my lip gloss on. And this shimmery misses is my Morphe lip gloss. I'm going to put the name on the bottom of the screen because this is one of the names I could not pronounce. So I will also put that there, and I will also put down in the description the link to Morphe's cosmetic line where you guys can go check it out and get some of this good lip gloss or whatever else they have on the site. Next is the Glam Up mascara, followed by the color Champagne again from this palette. So I'm using the Champagne for my eyebrows, and I'm going to blend it in, and of course the mascara for my eyelashes. So I set my face and I'm all done. Thanks for watching my tutorial. I hope you like this look. Be sure to subscribe to my channel.